Now you're probably on your flight back to your hometown. I need some shelter of my own perfection, baby, to be with myself inside of clarity, peace, serenity. I hope you know, I hope you know, there is nothing to do. It's personal, myself and I. We got to figure it out, do. And I'm gonna miss you like I miss you. I'm thinking I've got to move on with my life. It's time to be a bigger and now. And baby girl, don't cry. Don't cry. The path that I'm walking, I would go alone. I'm a sickle baby, that still I'm full grown. Fairy tales don't always have a happy ending, do they? And I foresee the dark ahead if I stay.